Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You'll begin by installing Drive for desktop and signing in with the Google account that holds your work. Choose streaming to save local disk space or mirroring if you need offline copies. This choice affects how files sync and how much local storage is used. Once signed in, you'll grant permissions for file access and set basic preferences. Make sure to pick the right account and confirm sync folders so Drive maps correctly to your computer. This avoids duplicate files and keeps Once done with sign-in, open Settings, and select which My Drive folders to stream or sync. Streaming shows placeholders while syncing downloads full files. Map Drive as a virtual drive letter or a folder in File Explorer so you can open documents directly from apps. Use the right-click menu to mark critical files as available offline or to access version history when you need to revert changes. Make sure to pause sync if you're on limited bandwidth, then resume when you have a stable connection. To finish, practice sharing. Set viewer, commenter, or editor permissions and copy the share link. This controls collaboration and security. Enable backup for your desktop, documents, and pictures to protect local data automatically. If something goes wrong, first restart the Drive app and check your Google storage quota. Low space often blocks uploads. If sync still fails, sign out and back in. Then review synced folder paths to ensure there are no name conflicts. These quick steps usually resolve the most common sync errors.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.